Hi, I'm Shelly from cookiesandcups.com, and today we're here in my kitchen and I'm going to show you how to make one of the most popular recipes on my website, slow cooker cracked chicken. There's only a few ingredients that you need. This is a great dish to feed a crowd. It's super popular, has flavors everybody enjoys, and it's done in the slow cooker, which makes it extra easy. So we're going to take 2 to 3 pounds, maybe even 4 pounds of boneless chicken breasts and put them directly into our slow cooker. You're going to want to add 2 8-ounce blocks of cream cheese. You could even use the lower fat cream cheese as well. I've done it that way and it tastes great. Next, you're going to want to add some ranch seasoning. I use the salad dressing packets. Ranch dressing also comes in dips. I just want you to know, it's an error that I've made before, is that it's a little higher in sodium, so it makes it a little saltier. And that is actually all you do. I mean, if that isn't easy cooking, I don't know what is. You're going to grab now the lid, put that on tightly, and we're gonna turn it on to high. And now we wait 4 to 6 hours on high until the chicken is easily shreddable. Okay, so it's been going for about 4 hours and the chicken is completely ready to shred. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna open it up and I'm gonna take 2 forks and I'm just gonna get in, mix everything together. That looks fantastic. Okay, so once your chicken is done, you're gonna wanna add the bacon. This is not a step that I recommend skipping. We're just gonna sprinkle this directly into the chicken and mix it all in. So now that you have your bacon added, it's time to get creative. Here are a few of my favorite ways to enjoy the chicken. We like to use baked potatoes in rolls or even tortillas and roll them up like little tacos. My kids love that idea. Stuff the chicken right in as much as you want. Look how delicious that looks. And another more obvious way to enjoy the cracked chicken is just on a roll like a sandwich. And you just serve it up like this. It's easy because the kids can make these even on their own. The fun part comes if you want to top the chicken. I like to use a little grated cheese, and to make it a little spicy, I like to add some hot sauce. Another way to spice up the dish is to add some sliced jalapenos too. There's so many different options on ways that you can make these your own and get creative. I love hearing what some of my readers have done. They've used different seasoning packets. It's really a very versatile recipe, which is why I think everybody loves it. So for this full recipe and more, go to cookiesandcups.com.